In this lesson, we're going to learn how to interpret a line graph to help us find the median. So if we have a problem like this that says the class discussed how many books they have and recorded the results on the graph below, what is the median of the numbers? So here's the line graph. These are the books. Across here is the number of books. And these are the number of people that had 0 books. This is the number of people that had 1 book. And this is the number that had 2 books, and so on. Okay, so step 1. When the numbers are arranged from least to greatest, the median is the number in the middle. So we need to understand what median is. So we need to arrange the numbers from least to greatest, and then the median is the number in the middle. So step 2, read the numbers from the line plot. Each X represents one number. And important, make sure numbers are arranged from least to greatest. We cannot stress that enough. So 3 people have no books, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people have 1 book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people have 2 books. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people have 3 books. 1, 2, 3. 3 people have 4 books, and 2 people have 5 books. So those are the numbers from least to greatest. So now we find the number in the middle. And this is telling us that there's 2 numbers in the middle, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 on this side, and there's 11 on this side if you count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That leaves 2 numbers in the middle. So how do we find the median when there's 2 numbers in the middle? When there are 2 numbers in the middle, find the average of the 2 numbers. So remember, the average is found by adding the numbers and dividing by the number of numbers. So we add the 2 2's together and then divide by the number of numbers, which is 2. So the median here is 2. So 4 over 2 is equal to 2. And that's how you do that problem. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You probably just need another explanation. Rewatch the video. As well, if you check out the description, there's links there to other videos of mine that are similar to this, so you could watch those. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, I have this exact lesson. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.